Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify create reporting tools using Metabase connected to no-code data. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have Metabase installed and running on your local machine or server. Next, navigate to the Metabase dashboard. Log in using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, click on Databases in the Settings menu. Select the option to add a new database. Choose your data source type. Since we are focusing on no-code data, you might select a service like Google Sheets or Airtable. Follow the prompts to connect to your chosen data source. Authenticate using the necessary credentials or API keys. After authentication, Metabase will load your data structure. Now, click on Ask a Question to start creating your reporting tools. Select the type of question you want to create, such as a simple question or custom query. If you choose a simple question, select the table you wish to analyze. Use filters to narrow down your data, if necessary. Add any aggregations, like sums or averages, to derive insights. For custom queries, switch to the SQL editor. Write your SQL query based on your reporting needs. Execute the query to see the results. Once satisfied with your results, save your question. Provide a clear and descriptive name to easily identify the report later. Next, navigate to the Dashboard section. Click on Create a new dashboard. Title your dashboard appropriately based on the type of reports it will contain. Now, return to your saved questions. Select the questions you want to include in your dashboard. Drag and drop each question into the dashboard layout. Adjust the sizing and positioning of each card to optimize space. Next, click on the Save button to preserve your dashboard. To share your dashboard, click on the Sharing option located at the top right. Set permissions according to your audience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.